The Isola 2 is a brand new pergola system that touts the most exquisite design features that the best awning company has to offer. The Isola 2 can easily be adapted to any space with exceptional protection from the sun, wind, and rain, and it has all the amazing features found in all our high-end pergola-style models. Its unique arched-shaped roof provides added strength to allow for overall maximum sizes and a linear design that enhances any outdoor space, while at the same time incorporating its perimeter gutter system, which whisks the water down the vertical posts and away from your guests. This pergola-based system can be customized into practically any outdoor patio or balcony situation, and its elegance and remote operation make for an increase in the value of your property or business. The Isola 2 is just one of the dozens of options that the best awning company provides. Contact us today and we'll happily come out to your home or business and compare your needs with your budget.